Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man, back with another pickup. I thought this one was really cool, man. Just something I found at TJ Maxx. Actually, no, this one was from Target, man. Let's get right into it. If you like the game, like I do, this is something really cool. This literally is just, hey, I had 20 bucks and I wanted to spend it. So here we have the Master Chief, only at Target, so I'm sorry I said TJ Maxx. Master Chief controller holder. This one has a light up base. Don't know if I'm going to be using that, but we'll see. And so it's got a USB Type-C charging cable for Halo Infinite. Who is this by, man? This is by our guys over at Cable Guys. One thing I really like about this, if you get a chance to check out their website, they got all types of these little controller holders or phone holders or whatever. They got ones for Halo, as you see here. They got the Call of Duty ones. I saw Spider-Man, saw some movie themed ones, Indiana Jones one. It's like pretty cool, all of them, man. So let's go ahead and get it right into this one, this quick unboxing. So again, we got the Halo controller holder. And let's look at the side here. It says Master Chief upgrade complete with the sinker here and then light up base. We see the insignia branded right here, 117 for all you Halo fans out there. And then what do we have right here? It works perfectly with, they should have did this, I see it in green, but they should have did this with the actual Xbox controller, because you can see, I guess they're putting PlayStation right here. So I don't want any fights between you guys, which system is better. Clearly we're going to go with, no, I'm just teasing. So you can see right here, you could do a controller holder and what this will work for. Follow these wonderful steps. I'm pretty sure you all don't need the directions to find out how to put your controller in there. On the back, again, just really cool. This stands 4 feet tall. And then what do we got here? Just what all you can do with it. Some literature as far as regulatory information, what type of batteries it requires. And if you're not going to use the battery, go ahead and use, plug this in. Or I'm brought right here a little charging brick that has USB-C. So straight out of Amazon, shout outs Refinement. Good job, Refinement. So, and then on the side right here, here's what it looks like. Master Chief right there, doing your cell phone and your Xbox controller. So enough talking, man. Let's go ahead and open this box up. I feel like this one is going to be a really easy box to unbox. And I wonder, did they use some sort of zip ties to like hold Master Chief down? Or did they use Cortana to do that? We'll see. So let's see here as we open this up. There we go. Yeah, man, let's get it. And then this unfolds. I literally could have just ripped this out, but I think I did enough with that. I had enough box problems from my unboxing of the Apple Wallet. Oh man, this is cool. And it just slides right out. Oh no, I gotta lift this part too. So I'm assuming, so right here, oh wow, man, this is a nice amount of cable. So right here we have our 4-foot cable. I said the thing stands 4 feet tall, but I really think they meant 4-foot cable. So we got our cable right here, like that. And then what else is inside of here? I wonder, does this like unscrew or something from the bottom so that kids or people wouldn't be able to steal it. So let's go right here. I'm gonna just rip this because I do not plan on returning it anytime soon. Or at all. So let's just rip our box open here. And it looks like we're having more box problems. Okay, cool. What is all this? They said some sort of instructions or literature telling me that I could burn the house down and stuff like that. So we don't need that. Like as I'm ripping the box, he's holding his hands open like, why? Why are you doing this to me? All right. And like I said, guys, this is like zip tied in here to something. Do you see this right here? Can you see that? Yeah, it is. So is there like a little pulley on the back to unzip tie this. There is. Haha. Take that, past self. I was correct. Now that it's unzip tied, this bad boy will slide straight out. All right, and let's go ahead and, yeah. Because I completely destroyed that. This is what we got here, man. This is really, really cool. So inside the box, you get your Master Chief, you get the USB-C cable, and if we turn this to the bottom here, you also have like how you can just do batteries. It probably told me what kind of batteries, but I did not really pay attention. So I think I have one of these. I don't know what it's called, but I'll have to look at the box that I just destroyed. So right here, you got the on-off switch, which lights up this. And then, where did they put the USB-C? Huh. If I'm using a USB-C cable on this, where would it be at? Okay. Really cool, but interesting. I wonder did they put the USB-C in here and want me to open it up. Let's go ahead and do that right quick. I'm gonna put you all on a brief pause. Okay, so I went and got my little tool set here. Mini screwdrivers. Shout out Dollar Tree for $1. So let's go ahead and unscrew these. And let's see what we get. And one more. I think we're done. Okay, cool, man. Oh, no, yeah, there we go. Oh, wow, man, this is really cool. The batteries were included. Wow, man, let me see if I turn this on. Oh, my goodness, guys. I unscrewed this for no apparent reason. Did the box say that the batteries were included? Master Chief, have I failed you yet again, man? Oh my goodness, guys. This is so cool that this was already had the batteries right here. So you can see this thing lights up. It's lit. And turn it back off. This is really cool, man. I don't know what the name of these batteries are, but also I still don't see where to plug in the USB-C. Huh. So clearly they provided directions, but am I going to read them? Is this it right here? No. Like, it would have been smart to just put this on the back or like on his foot or something. I still don't see it, guys. And the arms don't lift up or anything. So what I'm going to do is probably read this and figure it out. Thank goodness I didn't throw away the literature, so it'll tell me. In the meantime, though, let's go ahead and plug this little part back in. Screw this back on. There we go. That was really, really cool that they included batteries, man. Yeah, man. What I'm going to do is throw on our Xbox controller. That is really cool, man. That is really, really cool. Here's what it looks like from the side here. And then the back. Like, I thought this part was where you charge this, but maybe this USB-C is specifically to charge your controller there. But I don't think they would do that. On-off button. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And our little light up, our little light up Xbox there, man. This is so cool, guys. I really, really like this. Let's see what it looks like with a phone. Works for iPhone and Android. Spin it around. Same deal. Spin her again. And the on-off switch. And here we go. So what I'm going to tell you guys is this thing is really super cool. For the price, I got this for 20 bucks at Target, not to be confused with TJ Maxx. I got this for 20 bucks at Target. Definitely worth picking up, especially if you wanted to spend a quick 20 bucks versus going through the drive-thru or something like that. This is really cool to hold a controller or something like that. Is this necessary? No, but I think it was really cool for only 20 bucks. You all probably spend more on DLC than 20 bucks. So I know having a son, he just spent more than that on Robux. Yeah, Robux. But anyway, man, thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate the support. And to the next video, man, it's been Steph featuring Master Chief, man. Until the next video, let's get it.